I was like, word? In the garage? That's white people. This has to be done. You can't drive without this. You don't always have to take big bites. Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and yeah, we are back here at Spectre Built, checking on the Lexus GS300. Last time we were down here, you saw that we were going through all the things, all the parts, everything that's wrong with it, and a couple of things is going on. We was getting a diagnosis of all the things wrong with it, and I got that list, and it's not good. And today, we're back down, and what they're doing is they're fully cleaning and going through the whole car, and then we're gonna continue on. If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. Follow your boy. First time viewers, hope you enjoy this. My subscribers, thank you guys for kicking it with your boy. Now let's get to it. That's dope, because I was told that they were gonna, you know, clean the whole undercarriage and they're even gonna get the motor. And I was like, well, damn, dude, how are we gonna do that? Because we have to pull the car out and took the wheels off. You can put that back on, but it's not rolling properly, you know? And they're like, nah, they're gonna do it in the garage. I was like, word? In the garage? Okay. Well, yeah, you see they set up the tarp and everything like that. So pretty much, they just fold it up, take it out, and do some little minor cleaning. Obviously, you should know that the benefits of them doing this right here is to break up any grime, any buildup, any oil. This car is damn near 25 years old. It's a 2001, you know what I mean? And has a lot of miles on it. There is no rust underneath it, which is good, but anything and everything to where you want that car to be clean in terms of finding leaks, you know what I mean? Finding bad gaskets and stuff like that, that dirt and buildup could possibly cover up and hide. Everything's gonna be exposed, we're gonna be able to see it. Man, all part of what Spectre Built does. But don't get it twisted. They're not just gonna work on your car, they're gonna do anything and everything that's necessary, and maybe even some stuff that is unnecessary, only because they're gonna go over the top with it. You know what I mean? And a lot of people that work on your car, you don't have to clean it, but they'll do it here, you know, which is dope. Like I said, full service with whatever you want. All right, so they just lowered the car. Looks like they're getting ready to, they did underneath the whole thing. Now it looks like they're getting ready to do the engine bay. So, like I said, front to back, inside and out, they're cleaning it. Hey man, I got a question for y'all. You see everybody over here putting in work, doing their thing, you know what I'm saying? Trying to make the day better. Just one problem. Why aren't you guys doing the same? Make my day better, make your day better. Hit the like and subscribe button, man. Go ahead and follow your boy, okay? So you can see everything that I have going on. You can catch up on past videos, and make sure you follow me on IG at Import Life Media and on TikTok at Import Life Media. Follow your boy. You know what I'm saying? Because I need your help, man. It's hard out here, okay? Just hit a button, man. Make me smile. I got a pretty smile, huh?
Sit. Nice and clean. Undercarriage clean. We actually just got this pressure washer we're gonna install in here, like in the wall somewhere. So we can do the undercarriage washes and then still run it out that way. It goes 100 feet both ways.
Oh, shit.
So yeah, we're gonna install it in here and then we can
have it in-house.
Easier for them and just...
And that helps you out to where...
Dude, it happens all the time. Like, especially the Z's, bro, like all the VQs.
It's build up?
Leaks everywhere, right? Oil leaks everywhere. So everything where it leaks, behind it is oil too.
Right.
So like he hates working on all that shit when everything he touches is
because
dirty.
Everything's getting like sprayed everywhere.
Yeah.
Cleaning it obviously helps you diagnose, okay, it's coming from here.
You can't see. Yeah. You can't see when there's oil over everything and what's going on, you know?
I've told you once and I'm gonna tell you again, and I'm gonna keep telling you guys, man, look, if you need your cars done, if you need your vehicles at all cleaned, modified, diagnosed, upgraded, swapped, anything, come on down to Spectre Built, man. Spectre Built. Look. They got everything you need. So why haven't you reached out to them? Spectre Built, Corona, California. Hit them up. Perfect place for you to get right. The template. So you gotta cut, how you gonna bend it?
He's gonna bend it with his teeth.
That's why people I was saying, you guys open beers with your teeth.
No.
Oh yeah, really?
That's not a white people thing.
Is it?
No, well, you get the Chicanos with the cowboy hats. You know that's their shark tooth. You know what I'm saying?
And it's like this. How do you learn how to do that? You just take a chance, because if you do it wrong, that tooth is either chipped or gone. So how would you bend this?
The shop across the street
This is
has
pretty.
it.
Oh, this is pretty damn thick.
The shop across the
Damn.
street that we're friends with, they got a metal brake.
So you're not gonna use your teeth.
Imagine, bro. Imagine your arms get cut off and all you gotta use is your mouth.
He said, imagine if you get both your arms cut off and all you have to use is your mouth. Was this bad, or was this normally what you? It was bad.
Yeah, pretty bad.
Oh, so this is one of those like you got off a lot, but this is one of those where you have to hit it a couple times.
Yeah. Or like sometimes you gotta get some of these parts off. Like he'll start like this, and then he'll start taking off the engine, and then we'll come back and do more. Or like he'll take off the tranny, and he'll come back and do more.
Gotcha. All right, undercarriage is all done. Engine bay is all done. Very, very clean, as you saw. Everybody said it was bad. This car's never had that type of service done, so also note to self, for yourselves, go ahead and wash the outside, and every now and then, make sure you hit that underneath, that undercarriage too, because like I said, it can help you out in so many different ways in terms of things you don't see, things that are broke, cracked, things that are leaking that probably go unnoticed. But I'm happy with the work, most definitely. And don't forget about the engine bay also. You know what I'm saying? When that hose is cracked and brittle, the oil's leaking, when your washer fluid or any type of whatever is leaking, it's better to know exactly where it's coming from instead of popping the hood and just seeing it sprayed everywhere. You know what I mean? Car stuff. All right, for those of you seeing and those of you wondering, who was it that did the car right here?
What's up, everyone? My name is Gabriel. I'm with Upscale Detailing, and we took out his undercarriage and engine bay. We used all-purpose and degreasers to make sure that all the oil are flushed out and everything. So if you ever interested on anything, ceramic coatings, engine bays, undercarriage, polish, corrections, paint protection film, you name it, we'll take care of you. My name is Gabriel, like I said, and my number is 909-367-6733. Reach us at Upscale Detailing on Instagram. See you later.
Hell yeah. Hey, make sure you guys reach out. Make sure you hit them up. You saw just a small fraction of some of the work that they do. Very clean. Make sure you reach out to them. Upscale Detailing. All right, man. Now, let's talk to Tyler, the car doctor, because we got to go over costs, payment, and this long list of things that need to be fixed on the car. This right here is the look of a man that people that break your heart always smile before. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Wow, break your heart. Okay, break your heart in your pocket, but not break your heart about driving a car that's not gonna break down on you.
You might have to drain your pockets a little bit, but what's more important is your life and your well-being. Yeah, I would rather
I care about living.
spend money and then make money, because that can come and go. You only got one life, and then make sure that they're gonna take care of everything inside out, even things you didn't know. Like I said, it might be bad news, but all good information and bad information is information. Do what you want with it and make your choices. But I'm putting my life in his hands.
Make good life choices. Don't put it in people's hands that fuck your life over.
True story, true story. All right, So leaving the shop right now, and pretty much this is what it boils down to. Last night, Tyler the car doctor sent me a text message of just a 4-page list of everything that is wrong, broke, leaking, it needs to be replaced, needs to be fixed, everything dealing with the car from front to back, inside and out, from the motor down, covering the suspension, covering the transmission, covering everything. And I wasn't expecting all that. I was expecting him to go through, but the numbers and the problems that came back, I was not expecting at all. That number, I'm not even gonna say, but you know what? This has to be done. You can't drive without this. And with this, you can last another couple, whatever, you know what I mean? So now it's pretty much like eating food, you know? The best way I could make it seem is that you don't always have to take big bites to complete that meal. You know what I mean? You don't always need to pay all this and get all this done at one time. If you take small bites here, small bites there, at the end of the day, that meal is still gonna be complete. You know, it might take a little bit longer than these big bites that you wanna do, but everything adds up. Everything adds up. They do damn good work. And as you saw, even with, you know, something as simple as their detailers and the people that they have coming in to help them out with certain jobs, even when they outsource certain work, everybody that they deal with is top notch. Everybody that they deal with is on point, and they do a damn good job. Anyway, man, look, if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. I can't say it enough. I know it sounds generic because everybody says it, but it really does help me. If you can't, follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media, and also on TikTok at Import Life Media. And leave you with a little daily dose of advice. What can I say? What can I say? Hey man, look, with whatever it is, and like I said, it's easier said than done, but just take things one step at a time. You know, no matter what the issue may be, you can get overwhelmed. You know, sometimes it could be a lot on your plate, no pun intended, but just take things one step at a time. And at the end of the day, if things get fixed and if things work out, then cool, so be it. And if it doesn't, you know, even though you don't want it to be that way, it didn't. But you can do nothing but just keep it moving. And at the end of the day, you guys are worth it. All right? Stay blessed, stay good, treat everybody around you in a positive way, and more than anything, get those cars built. All right, y'all.